What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a minute since I've uploaded, and for that I apologize. I've been pretty busy at school. I got a week off though for Thanksgiving break, so that a lot of my channel revolved around kind of some cool stuff like 450Rs, 400EXs, even the Renegade. But this right now is all that I have. This is the plow quad that we use to keep, it's just a workhorse, the trailer hitch, the plow. This is what we use through the winter months to keep everything looking good, and there's really, I've been so busy and college is expensive, so I sold all the other stuff, but this is kind of just what we have right now. I gotta throw the plow on today because we're probably gonna be getting some snow. It's probably the last of the days where it's no snow, but the funny thing is that it is absolutely freezing today, so I am not wearing a big winter coat, but we'll see how cold we get. I got some nice gloves, so let's fire this thing up and go for a ride. How about that? Alright, so we got this thing warming up here. I got it started. I know you guys haven't seen this one on the channel yet. We bought this about last year, picked this thing up. Yeah, it's pretty much just a completely bone stock 2000 Foreman 450. Not really something I'm used to riding, like for fun, but it is a really good workhorse, and it's a Honda. It's reliable, so we'll try and have some fun today with this thing. So let's go for a little ride. All right, let's go. When this fills all up with swamp water and stuff, and that's how we all get stuck when we come out here during the summer months. So, all right. And I'm sure the nice part about this too is that you guys can probably hear me better because this thing's not very loud. So. I haven't been out here in a while. My hat almost fell off. Alright. Wow. Now this is for anybody anybody who's in my same situation, I'm not going to go around there. That used to be like a circle, but it's pretty grown in now. But this is for anyone who might be in a similar position that I'm in. Maybe you guys are also in college or something. Maybe you guys are got rid of some of your cool stuff. Or maybe just you never had cool stuff and all you have is one of these. You know, like a pretty normal, you know, four-wheeler. Like this Foreman here. And this thing is really pretty sweet. I gotta tell you guys. Like this, it's fun. It really is. First gear is completely useless for anything except towing the trailer around. But fifth gear, I mean, it can hold its own. I mean, it tops out at about 35. I mean, if you put this thing in neutral, coasting downhill, you know, you could probably manage 40. But it's just, it's so low, it's geared so low that you really can't do a whole lot of crazy stuff with it. But I feel like it keeps it safe. You know, you really can't even go fast enough to kill yourself on this thing if you're somewhat experienced. If you're unexperienced, never ridden anything, I would not recommend going fast on one of these, or super fast, because it can get really squirrely. And this is not a handling machine. This thing is really sketchy. I mean, look at this rear axle. It's skinny, tires are tall, it's got hardly any suspension in it, but that's what makes it fun, right? We got this sweet little bag off Amazon for like $100, so let's go do some more riding. Take this thing around a couple times, put the plow on it, and then put her away for the winter. How about that? I'd love to do a hill climb. I could go that way, but or follow the rock wall up, but I don't think that's a terribly smart idea. It's pretty damn steep, so maybe we can go play over there in a little bit. Usain Bolt. Tires pretty low. That's why it was being so sketchy. Oh, look how flat that is. Oh, I hope I didn't pop it on the ride. These tires are older than me. Not really. I think we're about the same age. This is an 02, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. They all look the same. But thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed that, leave a like. If you want to see video on plowing or doing boring shit with the four-wheeler, let me know. I doubt any of you'd want to see that, but I can go, if we get some real deep snow, I'll take this thing around the block in four-wheel drive and we'll go have some fun. But that's probably the last time I'll be out in the woods this year. But Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Have a great day.